Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install external add-ons to Stremio. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then click on the search bar and search for Stremio add-ons. From the search results, open the official Stremio add-ons website. Once the website opens, scroll through the list of available add-ons and find the one you want to install. Click on the add-on to open its details page. On the add-on page, click the Install button. You'll now see two installation options, Install for Windows and Install for Web. If you use the Stremio desktop app on your computer, click Install for Windows. If you're using Stremio in your web browser and are signed into your account, click Install for Web. After selecting the appropriate option, Stremio will ask you to confirm the installation. Click Install to add the add-on to your Stremio account. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, and that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.